Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is our first video and we are going to do a challenge video. और आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे हम किसके साथ चैलेंज करेंगे, तो here is the surprise. ये मेरी बहना है, इसका नाम प्रीति है और हम प्रियांशु। हम लोग एक चैलेंज वीडियो करने जा रहे हैं, अब ये आपको एक्सप्लेन करेंगे।
हम इस वीडियो में कुछ वर्ड्स में हमें हमारी बड़ी बहन ने दिया है और हमें नहीं पता वो क्या है, और हम ये इनडायरेक्टली गूगल से पूछेंगे, और अगर वो वर्ड्स जो हमें मिला है वो डायरेक्टली मींस हम लोग को अगर गूगल से मिल जाता है so we get 1 point, otherwise we lose.
This is my first word.
क्या है?
So hey Google, what is the name of H2SO4?
The IUPACID of sulfuric acid is sulfuric acid.
ये क्या क्वेश्चन था?
ये फिर से जीत गए.
अरे ये तो सिंपल इतना।
Next, अब तुम्हारी बारी.
देखते हैं हम क्या करते हैं। इसके लिए बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन मिला था।
Hey Google,
What is the opposite of friend?
Here are some antonyms for friend: enemy,
Yes,
opponent.
I've got it. Yes, finally.
next word. So this is my next word.
Harry Potter. I'll say go.
Hey Google, which movie is the most famous movie of magic?
Here are some details.
Hey Google, name the movie which is most famous for magic.
Here is information from Screen Rant.
So I lose, I don't know what to say.
क्या? What was that?
It was Harry Potter.
It was Harry Potter. Oh my god. I've got the word painter.
Hey
Hey.
Google,
What we call a man those who
Here
paint.
are some results from a search.
What we call the man who paints.
According to Atalki, a person who
Yes.
paints walls is a painter.
Yes, I've got.
okay, 2
Yeah,
points.
boy.
मेरा 1 point.
I've got the answer.
Next chit.
I'm pro.
So hey Google, what is the phenomenon called which caused destruction on Earth?
According to Wikipedia, a natural disaster is
Yes.
a major adverse event resulting from natural
देखा?
processes of the earth.
क्या है?
Examples
एक
include
निकल गया तो क्या?
दो
मेरे
दो
से नहीं सकेगी।
to all, okay, to तुम्हारा
But
to
you
मेरा.
have got 3 chances in which you have only made 2, and I am 2 by 2. Yes, I'm pro.
Hey Google,
What is Diwali?
According to National Geographic Kids, Diwali or Deepavali is India's biggest and most important holiday of the year. The festival gets its name from
Yes,
a row of clay lamps
the
that
festival
Indians
gets
light
its
outside
name.
their homes to
I've got the
symbolize
answer.
life,
3 by 3
peace,
and you 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Le. Continue. I'm in the lead, bro.
so I have the word honest. Let's see Google recognize it or not. Hey Google, what is the other word for faithful?
According According to Merriam-Webster, some common synonyms of faithful are constant, loyal, resolute, staunch, and steadfast.
No. Hey Google. What we say call the word which is same as saying truth or a person who is true.
Here's what I found on the web.
What? Hey Google. What is the word called when a person always says truth to others?
According to vocabulary.com, someone who is veracious speaks the truth, like your brutally honest friend who
Yes,
always lets
I
you know
got
what
the
she
word
thinks about
also.
your outfits, your hairstyle, your lasagna recipe, and your taste in movies.
Well, it's my turn. Here Google.
Hey Google.
What is the end of week is called?
According to Merriam-Webster,
Ye-
the end of the week, the period between the close of one work or school week and the start of the next
ये
is
क्या बात है इसको इजी वर्ड्स मिल रहे हैं.
तो क्या हुआ? It's just
Now it's my turn.
let's see what she can do.
Hey Google. What is sweet and cold and mostly preferred in summer season?
These are the top results.
Hey Google. What is the thing called which we eat in summer which give relief to us?
Here is some information for what to eat in summer to keep body cool. Here's a summary from Times of
नहीं हो पा
Hey
रहा है।
Google. What is sweet and liked by all children and made up of ice?
Here's what I found.
Finally you have found it.
Yes, it's ice cream.
It's written here, but Google is unable to speak. Let's see what is my cheat. Let's see my cheat.
Hey Google.
Where do we live?
Here's what I found on the web.
Hey Google.
In which planet do we live?
Planet Earth.
Yes. I've
According
got
to
it.
NASA Solar System Exploration,
इसको
our home
easy
planet
मिल
Earth is a
रहा है.
rocky, terrestrial planet.
कौन ऐसा चीट बनाया है भाई?
हमारी बड़ी बहन. Hey Google. Where does a king rule?
Here is information from InfoPlease.
Hey Google. What we call the area where a king rule?
Who do you want to call?
She wants
Hey Google. Hey Google. What is the word with which
This is the definition of with. In the company of some.
what is the word with which an area of a king is named?
Here's a summary from vocabulary.com. The oversized bejeweled chair on which a king or queen sits is called.
बहन.
Help me!
अच्छा.
Help me!
Hey Google.
Nigga!
Hey Google. What is the another word for dynasty?
The following are some synonyms for dynasty: bloodline, line, ancestral line, lineage, house.
Hey Google.
नहीं हो पा रहा है क्या?
Where does a king rule?
These are the top results.
तुम नहीं हो पा रहे क्या बोल रहे हो? Hey Google.
नहीं हो पाता Yes, you lose.
Okay, I lose. It's kingdom, Baklol Google.
Bucket. I cannot pronounce this word.
Archaeologist.
What does the man do who? This word is very hard.
It's easy.
Say hey Google.
Okay, now you lose. I will say that.
No, I haven't tried.
Hey Google.
Name the people who dig. I don't want to see any series. Wait. Hey Google.
Hey Google. Hey Google.
What does dinosaur? Sorry, I lose in this. I lose in this one.
No.
Okay, I lose in this one.
Three.
Let her try. No, I am 4.
Extending directly beneath the body and include chiefly terrestrial.
I am 4. 3, no.
Okay, I'll try this word. Hey Google. What is the study of history called when the person dig the earth?
According to National Geographic Society, archaeology is the study of the human past using material remains.
Hey Google. Who studies archaeology? What we call it?
According to Cambridge Dictionary, Cambridge University Press.
It was so
Noun.
simple, but मेरा दिमागी में नहीं आया भाई. अब हम क्या ही कर सकते
कोई
हैं.
बात नहीं.
It's now her turn, but
This chit is the last one and it's my turn.
This is simple, so we can both of it we can do.
Hey Google.
Who is Akshay Kumar?
According to Wikipedia, Rajiv Hari Om Bhatia, known professionally as Akshay Kumar, is an India-born naturalized Canadian actor, producer,
This
martial
was so
artist and
simple.
television
So we got the word
personality in
actor.
Bollywood.
But there were 13 chits, so last chit is not counted, and 6th chit his and mine. So what is the total?
I think I have won it.
No, I think I win.
It's a tie actually.
Actually, tie.
It's a tie.
Okay, at the time of edit, I'll see. Thank you guys for seeing our video. I hope you liked our video and don't forget to like,
So please,
Like, subscribe, and share our video to your friends. Thank you. Bye.
Tata. Ram Ram.